Hey friends, if the Wi-Fi symbol is grayed out in Windows 11, then please watch this video. So for 99% cases, there's only one solution. Press the Windows key and the R key together. To open the run window, type the command ncpa.cpel and hit enter to open the network connections window. So if you see anything grayed out here, let's say that it was grayed out, you will have to right click and enable it. I'm showing it for Ethernet. The same is for Wi-Fi. Just right click and select enable. Okay, so if it is grayed out, you will definitely find that option to enable it. And when you enable it, either it will have a cross or it will have a symbol here for the Wi-Fi connection. If it has a cross, then it means that let's say in the case of Ethernet, the Ethernet port is not connected. If it is for Wi-Fi, then there is no Wi-Fi connected at all. But that is a different case. We're talking about the Wi-Fi icon being grayed out. So this is how you can enable and fix the Wi-Fi icon issue. If this does not help, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then you can click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.